What's up everyone, it's Lee here, the rental guy. Today we're doing a Dance Dance Revolution review. Okay, it's not that, but it's like the mobile version of that, so let's get into it. We're going over the L-TEK Dancepads so that you can create a mobile Dance Dance Revolution for your rental game company. Dance Dance Revolution review. It's L-TEK Step Dancepads. As you know, in my party rental business, ever since the beginning, I've always been like,
hey, I want to rental video games.
Or, you know, something along those lines, right? So I've taken the steps to add the versus racing, the virtual simulators, and one of my newest ads is dance panels. So these are L-TEK dance pads that hook up to a Dance Dance Revolution type game called Stepmania. Hooked it up to a small $100 computer, and then it hooks straight up to the TV. This is part of one of my arcade packages that I do. As you see right here, I've got two of these L-TEK game pads. So let's just measure them. 33 inches by 33 inches. They're pretty heavy duty. They have metal edging. It's just over an inch, and they've got 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I ordered these from L-TEK. It's a company in Poland. They came like a week later. They've got these little pads on the bottom so that they don't slip around. And then they've got a USB right there so that it plugs straight into the computer, just like controllers. So I just went to my local store and I bought a $100 i5 computer. One of these little mini computers, you can get them used. They work perfect. You can download the free software, which is called Stepmania, and then you can download song packs too. The link in the description for all the places to download all this stuff to populate on the computer. And then I need a keyboard just to press go. So I've got a Bluetooth keyboard here. You can use a small wireless keyboard. And then just a cord that plugs into the TV from the computer. Very simple. Yeah, I used a display cord that does HDMI. So display here to HDMI on the TV. These things are the real deal. So, I mean, I like to do a better setup on top of a stage and just like this one right here. You know, this is what we're doing in the shop today, just to show it to you. All right, let's hook it up. So it's very easy. We just go through the menu. You can actually just step on the dance pads to go through the menu. Okay, so just press the space bar now that you hit game start. There we go, enter button. And then we'll just do a versus 2 players. So if you press down once, and then enter, yep. And then we'll just go to normal. Yep, press enter.
Okay. Let's, we'll pick a song. Okay. We don't want this pack. We want... Alright. And, it's already got videos and everything with the game pack, so all we have to do is just step on... Oh!
Well, we both got F's on novice. We both failed miserably. But it was fun, right, Levi?
Yes.
So if you have stage already, you can market it with stage and with TVs and really jack that price up. But if you don't, then you could just market it as the pads that plug into anyone's TV. So you just get the pads, get a computer, download the software, and you're done.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's right. That's it. Yeah.
That's it.
So this is how I view it. If you're looking to make lots of money really quick, with these video games, you have to really have lots of it and specialize in them. For me, I'm just looking to diversify my portfolio until people will be booking lots of, you know, big, high quality games from me. But realistically, like the yard games are the best bang for my buck right now. But getting stuff like this diversifies my portfolio and, it pays for itself, right? So if you buy it, it will rent enough, you know, when you start tacking on services like setup and so forth, it will pay for itself, but don't expect to make huge profits off it. until later on when you can offer a whole bunch of things at once, full arcade setups and things along that nature. If you enjoy this and all my other gaming rental videos, make sure and check one out. This one's great right here. And you stay classy.